Hello everyone. In the previous video, we read the chapter Desert Animals in detail. In this video, we will do the question answers and text exercise of the chapter. First, let's revise the chapter through summary. Deserts are the driest and hottest place on earth, but even desert animals need to survive in such harsh conditions. They use different methods to cope with the harsh climate. For example, gurbles spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows. Darkling beetles catch drop of moisture on their legs, then they lift the leg in the air until the drops trickle down into their mouth. Another animal found in deserts are rattlesnake. They have very bad reputation. A rattlesnake can strike with lightning speed and is very poisonous. It avoids people if it possibly can, but when threatened, it coils ready to bite. Rattlesnake feed on variety of prey such as mice, voles, rats, chipmunks. The other animal found in desert are mongoose. They are always careful of dangerous predators. They go in search of food together and eat beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. They warn each other with special alarm calls if they see anything suspicious. All the female mongoose have their kittens at about the same time. They are raised by whole group in a termite mound or hollow log. Mongoose are well known for being able to kill snakes without hurting themselves. Another animal that lives in the desert is camel. Camels get the water they need from desert plants. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water in just 10 minutes. They can survive without drinking water for up to 10 months. Camels are of two types, dromedary and Bactrian. Dromedary camel has one hump while Bactrian camel has two. These humps are full of fat which helps them to survive for many days without food and water. So these were some ways in which desert animals survive in such harsh conditions in desert. Now let's see the text exercise. You have to say whether these sentences are true or false. You have all read them in the chapter. Now let's see. Let's test our knowledge. No animal can survive without water. It's true. Deserts are endless sand dunes. It's false because we saw that they are sometimes rocky, pebbly, and full of flowers during spring season. Most snakes are harmless is true. Snakes cannot hear, but they can feel vibration through the ground. It is true. Camels store water in their humps. It is false because they store fats in their humps. Now let's see the question answers. How do desert animals survive without water? The desert animals find their ways to survive without water for many days. For example, gerbils spend the hottest part of the day in cool underground burrows, and strange insects called darkling beetles catch drops of moisture on their legs and then lift them up in air until the drops trickle down into their mouth. You can also give example of camel which can drink as much as 30 gallons of water in just 10 minutes and gets its moisture from desert plants. How do mongoose kill snakes? Mongoose are very fast. They get away quickly each time the snake tries to strike. They make a nuisance of themselves. If you find nuisance hard to remember, you can also write they trouble the snake until the snake is tired. Then they attack and kill the snake without hurting themselves. Next question. How does the hump of camel help them to survive when there is no water? The hump of camel is used by it to store fat which can nourish it when there is scarcity or lack of food. Read the words and phrases in the box with your partner, find their meaning in the dictionary, and then you have to fill up the blanks with these words. All the animals in forest and desert struggle to survive in harsh conditions. Though most of the animals are harmless, some are dangerous when threatened. If an intruder is noticed, they attack or bite to save themselves. They struggle continually for food and water. Some animals are called predators because they prey on other animals. I have also done other text exercise for you. I would suggest to try them yourself first and then tell you the answer with these. You can go through the answer yourself and then tell your answers. Pause the video and go through the answers. Next. So these were text exercise. Kindly do the writing part yourself and just share it with me. Thank you for watching the video, students. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.